Good morning, everybody, and assalamu alaikum. Okay. My name is Mahmood Abdul Aziz. I'll be chairing this session, which is process safety management. My background was actually I'm an ex-ALBA employee. I was there for around 26 years in safety and training department. Okay. In any industry, there are more than hazards that exist. There could be an unexpected release of toxic gases, reactive or any flammable liquids and gases in process involving in high hazardous chemicals. Okay. So no matter how dangerous are these hazards, chemicals in industry, there is always potential for an incident to occur at any time, and maybe uncontrollable resulting in many disasters. And I'm sure you have seen examples today and yesterday, the BOD incident somewhere in 1994, Piper Alpha incident somewhere in 1988, and in 1989 there was Phillips Petroleum Company in Texas. That resulted in around 23 deaths there. Somewhere in 1960s, DuPont pioneered the concept and started to implement the elements that they have created of the PSM, process safety management. But late 80s, the US Health and Safety Administration and Environmental Protection Agency had recognized that the benefits of PSM, converting it to a regulation for governing the most industries today, these days. This was in July 1990s. OSHA has published the first federal registration, which is FR 29150. And they propose a standard process safety management of highly hazardous chemicals, containing the main requirements for managing these hazards. With processes which are highly hazardous chemicals to help to assure safety of the personnel and with a healthful working place, considering and integrating three main elements that facilitates to the processes. And those elements are technology that they are used, personnel who operate these machines and equipments and technologies, and the maintenance which support these processes. And these would remain the essential parts and core forces for managing and leadership and commitment of any organization. In this PSM technical session, we are here to share the success stories from our colleagues, which are for sure heavily involved in following and implementing such systems. How major improvements seen in their organization safety performance. So please join me with my session co-chair. I have here Mr. Ismail Hamad Hussein. He's Superintendent, Safety and Occupational Hygiene in BOD. He has over around 14 years of experience in mechanical and marine engineering, training and health and safety management. Currently, he works for Bahrain Petroleum Company, which is BOD, as Superintendent, Safety and Occupational Hygiene. Previously, he was working in marine engineering for a national merchant shipping company for several years. Then he joined one large training institute in Bahrain to head the health and safety training department. He has engineering degree in marine engineering from Southampton, Solent University in UK, master degree in environment, health and safety from Sutherland University in UK, and currently he is doing a PhD in the area of organizational leadership and institution decision-making at University of Bradford in the United Kingdom. Okay, going further, please join me to welcome Dr. George Melham, President and CEO of IO Mosaic Corporation. He will be the first speaker for us today in this process safety management technical session. Dr. Melham is an internationally known pressure relief and flare system design, chemical reaction systems, process safety and risk analysis expert. He has provided consulting and design services, expert testimony and incident investigation support, and reconstruction for a large number of clients. Prior to founding IO Mosaic Corporation, Dr. Melham was president of PISEX Corporation, a technology subsidiary of Arthur D. Little Inc. prior to PISEX. Dr. Melham, he has around 12 years of experience, 12 years of being a vice president and managing director of Arthur D. Little's Global Environmental Health, Safety, and Risk Management Practice and its Process Safety and Reaction Engineering Laboratory. He holds a PhD and also an MS, Master of Science in Chemical Engineering, as well as BS in Chemical Engineering with a minor in Industrial Engineering from Northeastern University. He has completed executive training in the areas of finance and strategic sales management at Harvard Business School and is a fellow American Institute of Chemical Engineering. Please join me to welcome Dr. Melham. Please.